Greetings, graduates and loved ones. My name is Sandy Mayo, and I serve as the Vice President for Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion here at Seattle Pacific University.
And my name is Cedric Davis. I have the great pleasure of serving as the Chair of the SPU Board of Trustees. As an alum and proud supporter of SPU, I, as well as all of the other trustees, take a lot of pleasure in participating in the commencement ceremonies, both undergraduate and graduate, each year.
And this year is certainly no different, although we wish the circumstances were different and we could be celebrating together in person. The virtual commencement ceremonies you will soon be viewing, celebrating our baccalaureate, master's, and doctoral students, were pre-recorded in mid-May. This means that, at that time, much of the focus was around the COVID-19 pandemic hitting our world. Since then, our country has experienced deep anguish over the continued exposure of systemic racial injustice within our country. Though not new, it has opened or reopened a wound in many of us and has many of us hurting in deep ways.
Since the world has seemingly changed since the filming of the commencement ceremonies, we wanted you to be aware of why this was not acknowledged in the recordings you will soon be viewing. All of the ceremony participants, administrators, speakers, prayers, and musicians acknowledge the pain and heaviness around our country and world, especially, but not limited to, our students of color, and particularly our Black students. We want you to know that we see you, and we stand with you. For all students, we are very proud of you, and nothing should get in the way of this time of celebrating your incredible accomplishments.
On behalf of the SPU community, faculty, staff, administrators, alumni, and the Board of Trustees, we mark this moment to honor you, and we hope you will take this time to really celebrate all that you have done. May God bless you as you move to the next chapter in your life.